Hello, I am Kulsum Fatima from grade 9.
And I am Vaibhavi from grade 8.
Good day for each and everyone present to this special assembly for ours. Dear friends and the students of International Public School, feel privileged that today we inaugurate our Empathy Club. Dear audience, before we get into the program for the day, let's give you a small example to differentiate between sympathy and empathy and what belongs means for empathy. Many people we must have seen have a lot for lip service when they see people in trouble, but they handle brother today something or people who are in trouble or who actually receive your help. But if you are a person who believes in actually, you will definitely do something for the person who are lying, for the people who are aligned with requests to help. Some here come our empathy club with action where we believe in doing something for our humanity because we believe the service of humanity is service to. With that, let me get into an order today program. Service to humanity because we believe the service to humanity is service to Lord. With that, let me get into the order of today's program.
So, service to humanity is service to Lord Almighty. Stop.
Now.
Stop now. Say properly. Service to humanity. Say that by one might do not understand it. थोड़ा full stop के बाद बोलोगे ना कहीं बिना full stop के बात करना है
Humanity is service to humanity is service to Lord.
Say together. Service to humanity is service to Lord.
Service to humanity is service to Lord. With the let me get into the order to today's program. Can I call upon my friends to the universal prayer song?
Universal prayer song. कहाँ पे पूछा वहाँ पे for the universal prayer song नो?
Yeah.
For the universal prayer song.
For the universal prayer song.
And recorded and sent it. And recorded and sent it. रिकॉर्ड करके भेजा था ना तो नहीं सुना क्या तुम लोगों ने उसको For the universal prayer song. No wrong English.
For the universal prayer song on empathy.
And stop it. Full stop वाला नहीं रहता है कि sentence में for the universal prayer song. Stop it and then start. Once again I invite my friends for the universal prayer song. Full stop करके होता है ना specific sentence के बाद. Hold the mic properly first.
Friends, the song on empathy will be played for you and I want everyone to absorb it and sing it along. Can we start? Thank you, friends.
Can we start के बाद thank you friends बोल दोगी. Prayer खत्म हो तब बोलेंगे ना हम लोग thank you friends. So कभी 9 में आ गए बच्चा तुम क्या कर रही हो तुम?
Friends, the song on empathy will be played on you and I want everyone to absorb it and sing it along. Can we start?
Good.
Oh
That was indeed nice. Thank you, friends. That was indeed nice.
Now, let me take you to the next schedule of the program where we pledge allegiance or we take a vow that whatever we say, we definitely do it. So here we have our little friends with the empathy pledge. Can we have Sunidhi coming forward for the empathy pledge? Sunidhi, please.
Say loud, okay?
We, the student of
Go
IPS,
slowly.
we,
Children, wait, repeat. Okay, Sunidhi, you repeat.
we, the student,
Wait, Sunidhi, it is not correct.
we,
Say.
we,
The children, you also repeat after Sunidhi, okay? I'll say Sunidhi, you'll repeat, and then after Sunidhi repeats, you children will repeat, okay? We, the students of IPS,
the students of IPS,
not like that. I will say, Sunidhi will repeat after me. Once Sunidhi finishes, then you will say, okay? Let's start from the beginning. We, the students of IPS,
the students of IPS,
believe in generosity. Don't repeat with Sunidhi. After Sunidhi finishes, then only you will repeat. Is it clear? Start once again, Sunidhi. Wait, I'll say you will repeat. Then once Sunidhi finishes, then only you will repeat, okay? You are learning, no issues. Say once again. We, the students of IPS,
the students of IPS,
believe in. Who is repeating with Sunidhi? Who is the girl who is repeating with Sunidhi again and again? समझ में नहीं आ रहा तुम लोग ये? छोटी सी अक्ल नहीं है लोग को एक बार भी क्या बोल रहे हैं तुमको हम? सुनिधि के बाद ही तुम लोग रिपीट करोगे, सुनिधि के साथ नहीं, ओके? इट्स अ प्लेज. स्टार्ट वंस अगेन. We, the students of IPS, believe in generosity in real sense. We understand that every ipsite should be louder. Instilled with a feeling of benevolence. The ipsite will be ready reckoners to propagate louder. I said everyone. Teachers, please tell them. To propagate empathy and help the mass to differentiate between empathy and sympathy. The ipsite students do not believe in lip service but doing things in actuality. We believe that service to mankind is service to the Lord Almighty. This is the way pledge has to be said. You have not trained her like that. So एक सी फ्लो में बोली चली जा रही है. Break करेगी ना उस pledge को वो. She is not. She is going saying it together. That's why I had to intervene. Is it clear to all of you, children?
We do believe that we have to update it.
B कहाँ गया?
That we have to be updated with whether
Whatever.
whatever happened. We
Full
have
stop. Full stop है ना?
Yeah, ma'am.
दोबारा पढ़ो.
We do believe that we have to be updated with whatever happens. We have the practice of having a news corner where we present the national, international, sports and campus beats. But today, since we are celebrating,
But today, बोलो बोलो.
but today,
Since
we are celebrating and inaugurating our empathy club.
empathy club together. Empathy club. We are inaugurating empathy club. एक साथ बोलोगे. Empathy club ऐसे तो ना बोलोगे. हाँ. We are inaugurating. बोलो.
We are inaugurating our empathy club. We have some empathy news around the world for you and can I
And can I call?
call upon Bhagavi and Adiba for
Altafa only.
Bhagavi and Altafa to present the empathy news.
Empathy बोलो.
Empathy news or the news about our empathy ambassadors of the world who we hold as our icons. Can you please come forward? Bhagavi,
Forward है ना, तुमको दिख भी नहीं रहा है क्या ये? Can you please come forward?
Can you please come forward? Bhagavi and Altafa.
Say once again. Can you please come forward?
Can you please come forward? Bhagavi and Altafa.
मेरे को प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया लगता है घर पे.
Good morning to all of you. We are Altafa and Bhagavi for class 8.
From class 8.
From class 8. Presenting to all.
Presenting to you है ना, क्या नहीं दिख रहा है तुम लोगों को?
Presenting to all.
You
Empathy.
है कि all है यहाँ पर?
News.
Presenting.
Presenting to you. Empathic news on the
Occasion.
occasion of the inauguration of the empathic club of our school.
Of our
Of our school.
school नहीं pronounce है क्या?
School. First,
Our
our
first
first
ambassador. ठीक से पढ़ो.
ambassador of empathy.
ठीक से पढ़ो दोबारा. Our first
ambassador of
ambassador
of empathy is
empathy is ठीक से पढ़ो.
empathy
Our
is
बोलो.
our first
ambassador
of empathy is
empathy.
empathy is
I want some teacher to come forward. At least it will look good. The teachers are prompting the children. Which teacher can come forward and prompt the children? Bushra, you come forward. You are an English teacher. Come forward.
our first
And
our first ambassador for empathy, Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa. Teresa. Mother Teresa was born on 26 August 1910 in Yugoslavia. Her real name was Agnes von Buzai. She became at the age of 18. She came to India as a teacher to teach in convent school. But later she decided to service the poor, the needed, the defense and dying and the helpless. She became an Indian citizen in 1948. In 1950, she established the famous missionaries of charities Later, many houses, schools,
Louder, louder.
many houses, schools, hospitals for the poor and helping homeless were opened in India.
and foreign countries
Were open in India and foreign countries. Now, our second empathy.
This is small. Better not two sentences finish. If you go to two sentences,
Now our second ambassador of empathy is Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale 1820 to 1910. Known as the Lady with the Lamp, was a British nurse, social reformer and stylist, best known.
now our third ambassador.
Now our third ambassador of empathy, Anu Aga. Anu Aga, born 3 August 1942, is an Indian billionaire, businesswoman, and social worker
That's it. Next.
who led their maths and energy and environment engineering business as its champions for 1996 to 2004.
Thank you. Now may I invite Bhavi?
Now I invite for Vaibhavi. Invite Vaibhavi.
Now, our fourth ambassador for empathy, Sudha Murthy. Sudha Murthy, whose original title was Sudha Kulkarni, is an Indian engineering teacher, author, and a social worker. She is also the chairperson of the Infosys Foundation. She is married to the co-founder of the Infosys, N.R. Narayana Murthy. Murthy was awarded the Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian award in India for social work by the Government of India in 2006. She has founded several orphanages, participated in rural development efforts, supported the movement to provide all Karnataka government social schools with computer and library facilities, and established Murthy Classical Library of India at Harvard University. Now, our fifth ambassador for empathy, Malala Yousafzai. Malala Yousafzai, born 12 July 1997, often referred to as Malala, is a Pakistani activist for female education and a Nobel Peace Prize laureate. She is also the world's youngest Nobel Prize laureate and second Pakistani. She is known for human rights advocacy, especially the education of women and children in her native Swat Valley in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Now our sixth ambassador for empathy, Medha Patkar. Medha Patkar, born 1 December 1954, is an Indian social activist working on various crucial political and economical issues raised by tribals, Dalits, farmers, laborers and women facing injustice in India. She is an alumnus of its ITISS, a premier institute of social science research in India. Patkar is the founder member of the 32 years old people's movement called Narmada Bachao Andolan (NBA) in three states Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Gujarat. Now, our seventh ambassador for empathy, Melinda Gates. Melinda Gates was born Melinda Anne French, 15 August 1964. She is an American philanthropist and a former general manager at Microsoft. French Gates have consistently been ranked as one of the world's most powerful women by Forbes. So these are our 7 ambassadors of our empathy today. Thank you.
Put a hand, give a hand.
Thank you, friends, that we